Hey guys, this is number 9 on the review. So I wanted to go over this. Let me make sure I have the right problem. I don't. Here we go. Okay, so what I wanted to talk about is anytime it's asking you to graph, it doesn't matter what type of graph it is, you can always plug it into the table function into the calculator and it'll give you some points. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you what points it actually gives me on the calculator. So if I'm looking on the calculator, so I've already plugged it in. Let's see. Now, what's interesting is at 2, you'll see the word error, okay? And there's a reason for that, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But above that is 1, 2. And then if I scroll even further, I get -1, 4. And then I'm just going to get 2 points on the other side of that error. So I have 3, 8, 5, 6. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm just going to graph these points. So if I graph -1, 4, that's here. Let's see, 1, 2, here. Let's see, at 2 there's an error, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so right now that doesn't help me with the graph, but remember, your test is multiple choice. So if you're looking at the graphs and those points are on the graph, then that's the right answer. But just to kind of go through actually how you would do it if, let's imagine we didn't use the table. If you're looking at the actual equation, we're going to have a vertical asymptote at the opposite of this number. So this is -2. So we're actually going to have a vertical asymptote at +2. So we're going to go to 2 and draw a vertical asymptote. And then when I show you the horizontal, it'll start making sense why those are the points. So we're going to have a horizontal at 5, and we don't change that sign. We keep that to +5. So we change this one. We do not change this one. Okay? This is my vertical. This is my horizontal. So we're going to have a horizontal at 5. So here's 5. And we have a horizontal there. So the graph would actually look something like this. And remember, you never want to cross the asymptotes. So again, you're going to have it's going to be multiple choice. So if you're able to plug it in and get the table, you should be able to use the points in the table to make sure it matches up to the right graph. Okay. So anyway, I hope this helps. I'm going to do a few more graphing. So I'm actually not going to do, well, I'll do number 10 next, but then I'm going to kind of skip around and do all the graphing first.